Carbon and its compounds. Important question. First question, what is covalent bond? Second question, draw the electron dot structure of hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen molecule. Explain the versatile nature of carbon. Fourth question, what is catenation, tetracovalency, isomerism and polymerization? Fifth question, why carbon is called as tetravalent compound? Sixth, write the difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Seventh, what is alkene? Write its general formula. Name the first member of alkene. Eighth question, what is alkene? Write its general formula. Name the first member of alkene. Ninth question, what is alkyne? Write its general formula. Name the first member of alkyne. 10th question, what is cycloalkane? Write its general formula. Name the first member of cycloalkane. 11th, what is homologous series? 12th, what are the properties of ethanol? 13th, what are the properties of ethanoic acid? 14th, what are ethanol and ethanoic acid commonly called as? 15th, explain esterification reaction. 16th, explain saponification reaction. 17th, what are esters? Write its uses. 18th, explain the cleansing action of soap. 19th, what are detergents? 20th, what are structural isomers? 21st, carbon atom does not form C4 minus anion and C4 plus cation Y. 22nd question, how can ethanol be converted into ethanoic acid? 23rd, what are structural isomers? 24th, write the molecular formula and structural formula of an alkene having 5 carbon atoms. 25th, explain substitution reaction in hydrocarbons with an example. 26th, the general form of two specific group of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons is CnH2n. Write the structures of the member of the each group when n is equal to 3. 27th, explain addition reaction with the help of an example. 28, C2H6 undergoes substitution reaction but not addition reaction. Why? 29 question, explain how soap cleans clothes. More amount of soap is required to clean the clothes in hard water. Why? 30th question, can detergent be used to test hardness of water? Q reason. 31st question, write two structure of butane molecule. 32, how could you distinguish experimentally between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid? 33rd question, write the structural formula of ethane molecule. 34th question, write molecular formula and structural formula of butane. 35th, write structural formula for benzene. 36th, why are detergents more suitable for cleansing clothes in hard water? 37th, in a homologous series, the first member of hydrocarbons group has the molecular formula CH4. Then find out the molecular formula of fourth member and write two types of structural formula of it. 38th question, identify the unsaturated hydrocarbons in the following carbon compounds and write their structural formula. C6H6, C5H12, C2H5OH, C2H2. 39, write the difference between esterification and saponification. 40th, the general formula of cycloalkanes is CnH2n and its first member cyclopropane C3H6. Write molecular formula and structural arrangement of fourth member of this homologous series. 41st, what is hydrogenation? 42nd, how will ethanol be oxidized? 43rd, homologous series differ by dash anta kotre CH2 anta barirange. Okay, homologous series differ by one carbon molecule, ಎರಡು hydrogen molecule. So ನೀವು CH2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯ್ತು.